Good morning, students. Welcome back to Plus 2 Second Year English. The name of the prose is The Nightingale and the Rose, written by Oscar Wilde. In our previous class, we have read that the nightingale was moved to pity by the student's sorrow. She wanted to help him and get him a red rose. He went to a garden in the middle of which there was a rose plant, and she asked the rose plant to give him a red rose. The rose plant said his was not red and suggested her to go to his brother rose plant who was growing under the student's window. The bird went to his to the rose plant under the student's window and asked for the red rose. The red rose plant agreed, but with a condition that he should sit on the rose plant with the thorn piercing into the bird's body, so that the bird's blood would flow into the red rose plant and red rose plant build to build a red rose. The bird agreed or not. Let's read the next paragraphs to get the answer. Yes, Unit 3, warm up. The nightingale came near the young student. Who came? The nightingale came. Near whom? Near the young student. And promised, Pratishuti Dela, to bring him a rose. ତା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୋଲାପ ଫୁଲ ଆଣିଦେବ ବୋଲି ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ଦେଲା. ବଟ୍ ସି ୱାଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ଏନ୍ ଏସୁରେନ୍ସ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ନେବାକୁ ଚାହିଁଲା ଫ୍ରମ୍ ହିମ୍ ଇନ୍ ରିଟର୍ନ. ଏହାରି ବଦଳରେ ସେହି ଯୁବକ ଠାରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ପ୍ରତିଶ୍ରୁତି ନେବାକୁ ସେ ଇଚ୍ଛା ପ୍ରକାଶ କଲା. Read the following unit of the story and note what she expected from the boy. The text. The young student was still lying on the grass. Who was still lying on the grass? The young student was still lying on the grass. ତଥାପି ସେ ଯୁବକ ସେ ଘାସ ପ୍ରାନ୍ତର ଉପରେ ପଡ଼ି ରହିଛି. କେଉଁ ଘାସ ପ୍ରାନ୍ତର? କେଉଁ ଘାସ ପ୍ରାନ୍ତରରେ ପଡ଼ିଛି? where she had left him. ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ୍ ସେ ଯୁବକଟିକୁ ଯେଉଁ ଘାସ ପ୍ରାନ୍ତରରେ ଛାଡ଼ି ଯାଇଥିଲା, ସେହି ଘାସ ପ୍ରାନ୍ତରରେ ଯୁବକଟି ତଥାପି ପଡ଼ି ରହିଛି. Who saw it? The nightingale saw it. The young student was still lying on the grass where she had left him, and the tears were not yet dry. ए पर्यंत तार आखिर लुह सुखिनी. Whose tear? Whose tears? The boy's tears were not yet dry in his beautiful eyes. तार सुंदर सुंदर आखिरी लोतक बिंदु तथापि सुखी नथिला. Be happy. Be happy. Be means haba. Be happy. खुशी हुआ, cried the nightingale. Could understand who said it? The nightingale said to the young boy, be happy. Be happy. You shall have your red rose. तू पाऊ तोर गोलाप फूल तू पाइबू. I will build it out of music by moonlight. এই জনরাতি মধ্যে মু গীত গাই গাই এই গোলাপ ফুল সেই গোলাপ ফুলটি তৈরি করবি. and stain it with my own heart's blood. ଆଉ ତାକୁ ମୋ ନିଜ ହୃତପିଣ୍ଡର ରକ୍ତରେ ରଞ୍ଜିତ କରିଦେବି. all that I ask of you in return. ଏହାରି ବଦଳରେ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ତତେ କିଛି ମାଗୁଛି ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଟା ହେଉଛି that you will be a true lover. କିନ୍ତୁ ମନେ ରଖିଥା ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସଚୋଟ ପ୍ରେମିକ ହୋଇ ରହିବୁ. କାହିଁକି ନା ଲଭ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୱାଇଜର ଦେନ୍ ଫିଲୋସଫି. ଦର୍ଶନଠୁ ପ୍ରେମଟା ଭେରି କ୍ଲେଭର ଆଣ୍ଡ ୱାଇଜର. ଦୋ ହି ଇଜ୍ ୱାଇଜ୍, ଯଦିଓ ୱାଇଜ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ମାଇଟିୟର ଦେନ୍ ପାୱାର, ଶକ୍ତିଠାରୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଧିକ. ଦୋ ହି ଇଜ୍ ମାଇଟ୍, ଶକ୍ତିଶାଳୀ ହେଇଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଲଭ୍ ଇଜ୍ ୱାଇଜର ଦେନ୍ ଫିଲୋସଫି. ଫ୍ଲେମ୍ କଲର୍ଡ ଆର୍ ହିଜ୍ ୱିଙ୍ଗସ୍. ତାର ଡେଣା ହେଉଛି ଆଲୋକ ଶିଖାର ରଙ୍ଗ ସଦୃଶ୍ୟ. ଏଣ୍ଡ କଲର୍ଡ ଲାଇକ୍ ଫ୍ଲେମ୍ ଇଜ୍ ହିଜ୍ ବଡି. ତା ବଡିଟା କଲର୍ଡ ଲାଇକ୍ ଫ୍ଲେମ୍, ଶିକାର ରଙ୍ଗ ସଦୃଶ୍ୟ. ହିଜ୍ ଲିପ୍ସ ଆର୍ ସୁଇଟ୍ ଏଜ୍ ହନି. ତାର ଓଷ୍ଠ ତାର ଓଠ ମହୁ ସଦୃଶ୍ୟ ମଧୁର. and his breath is like frankincense. ଆଉ ତାର ଶ୍ୱାସ ପ୍ରଶ୍ୱାସ ହେଉଛି ସୁବାସିତ. Now let's move to the next page. This is the next page. The student looked up. ଉପରକୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଟେକି ଦେଖିଲା. from the grass, ଘାସ ପ୍ରାନ୍ତରରୁ ମୁଣ୍ଡ ଟେକି ଉପରକୁ ଦେଖିଲା. and who looked up? the boy looked up. and listened, ଶୁଣିଲା what the nightingale was saying. but he could not understand. ବୁଝିପାରିଲାନି what the nightingale was saying to him. nightingale ତାକୁ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି? the boy could not understand. for he only knew, ଯେହେତୁ ସେ କେବଳ ଜାଣିଥିଲା the things that are written down in books. ଯେହେତୁ ସେ କେବଳ ବହିରେ ଲେଖା ହେଇଥିବା ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ାକ ଜାଣିଥିଲା. ଏଣୁ that boy could not understand what the nightingale was saying. but the oak tree understood. କିନ୍ତୁ oak ଗଛ ବା ବର ଗଛ ବୁଝିପାରିଥିଲା what the nightingale was saying. nightingale କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ସେ ବୁଝିପାରିଥିଲା. and felt sad. ଆଉ ଦୁଃଖ ଅନୁଭବ କରିଥିଲା. Who felt sad? The oak tree. Who could not understand the nightingale's words? The boy could not understand. Why? Because the boy only knew the things those were that those those are in books. So the oak tree felt sad, for he was very fond of the little nightingale. ଯେହେତୁ ସେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ଭାରି ପ୍ରିୟ. He was very fond of nightingale, who had built her nest in his branches. ଯିଏକି ଯେଉଁ ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ର ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ତାର ଗଛର ଶାଖାରେ ଗୋଟେ ବସା ବାନ୍ଧିଥିଲା, ସେଇ ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଦୁଃଖ ଅନୁଭବ କଲା. Sing me one last song. ଶେଷ ଥର ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୀତ ଗା. He whispered. ଧୀର ସ୍ୱରରେ ଓକ୍ ଟ୍ରି ନାଇଟିଙ୍ଗେଲ କହିଲା, Please sing a last song. I know you will go and will not come. And this is the last meeting of ours. So please have a song for me. Just a last song. The oak tree pleaded the nightingale. I shall feel very lonely. ମୋତେ ଖାଲି ନିଛାଟିଆ ଲାଗିବ. Who said it? The oak tree said it. When you are gone. ତୁ ପଳେଇଲେ ମୋତେ ଖାଲି ନିଛାଟିଆ ଲାଗିବ. I will miss you a lot. I will remember you a lot. So please sing me one last song. Who said it? The oak tree said it. So the nightingale sang to the oak tree. Gaila. Who sang? The nightingale sang to the oak tree. And her voice was like water bubbling from a silver jar. ରୂପାର ପାତ୍ରରେ ପାଣି ଫୁଟିଲେ ଯେଉଁ ଭଳିଆ ଶବ୍ଦ ହୁଏ, ତାର ସ୍ୱରଟା ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇଭଳିଆ ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଞ୍ଜରଣ କରି ଉଠିଲା. When she had finished, what did I say? When she had finished, the nightingale had finished her song. The student got up. Nightingale ତାର ଗୀତ ଶେଷ କଲା ପରେ the student got up. ଉଠିଲା. ଯୁବକ ଉଠିଲା, ଛିଡ଼ା ହେଲା, and pulled a notebook. ଗୋଟେ notebook କାଢ଼ିଲା, and lead pin out of his pocket. ତା ପକେଟରୁ notebook ଏବଂ ଗୋଟିଏ lead pencil, not that is not pin, lead pencil ତା ପକେଟରୁ ବାହାର କଲା. She has a form. ତାର ଗୀତରେ ଲୟ ଅଛି, ତାଳ ଅଛି, ମେଳ ଅଛି. He said to himself. ସେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କହିଲା, ନିଜେ ଭାବିଲା. Who? The young student. As he walked away through the garden. ବଗିଚା ମଧ୍ୟ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଯିବା ସମୟରେ the young student said himself. ସେ ନିଜକୁ ନିଜେ କହିଲା, said to himself, she has a form. But has she got a feeling? କିନ୍ତୁ ତାର ଭାବ ଅଛି କି? I am afraid not. No. ନାହିଁ. In fact, ବାସ୍ତବରେ she is like most artists. ବାସ୍ତବରେ ଅଧିକାଂଶ କଳାକାର ମାନଙ୍କ ଭଳି. Who? The nightingale. Who thinks all these things? The boy, the young student. सी इज ऑल स्टाइल तार गाइबा शैली अच्छी सब शैली अच्छी विदाउट सिंसियरिटी किंतु निष्ठा व्यतीत समस्त शैली अच्छी सी इज ऑल स्टाइल निष्ठा व्यतीत तार समस्त शैली अच्छी सी वुड नॉट सैक्रिफाइस हर सेल्फ फॉर अदर्स अन्य सी निजक उत्सर्ग करनी सी थिंक्स मियरली ऑफ म्यूजिक से केवल संगीत कथा आगे चिन्ह मियर मीन्स ओनली केवल हु रोड ऑल दीज थिंग्स द बॉय रोड ऑल दीज थिंग्स स्टिल इट मस्ट बी एडमिटेड दैट किंतु यह ग्रहण करने को पड़ो जे सी हैड सम ब्यूटीफुल नोट्स इन हर वॉइस तार स्वर झंकार अच्छी सुंदर सुंदर झंकार अच्छी व्हाट ए पिटी इट इज कि दुखर कथा कि करुणा कथा कि दयार कथा दैट दे डू नॉट मीन एनीथिंग तार अर्थ किछि नुही और डू एनी प्रैक्टिकल गुड किछि मध्य वास्तव भल भी करे नहीं एंड ही वेंट इनटू हिज रूम हु वेंट द यंग स्टूडेंट वेंट टू हिज रूम एंड ले डाउन ऑन हिज लिटिल वुडन बेड तार काठ खट उपरे सोई पड़ी रहिला एंड बिगन टू थिंक ऑफ हिज लव आउ तार प्रेम विषय तार प्रेमिका विषय चिंता कला एंड आफ्टर ए टाइम किसी समय पर ही फेल एस्लीप से सोई पड़ा हु फेल एस्लीप द यंग स्टूडेंट थिंक इट आउट व्हाट डज द नाइटिंगेल एक्सपेक्ट फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ ए रेड रोज इन एक्सचेंज ऑफ ए रेड रोज द नाइटिंगेल expected that the young student should be a true lover and should not betray his love because love is wiser than philosophy. Next question is what does this student write about the nightingale in his notebook? Yes, the student wrote some of his thoughts about the nightingale in his notebook. They are: she has a form, and he suspected if she had a feeling or not. And he wrote that she is like most artists. She is all style without sincerity. She would not sacrifice herself for others. She thinks merely of music. Still, it must be admitted that still she has beautiful notes in her voice. These are the things the boy note in his notebook. And that is the end of today's lesson. We will have the other paragraphs in our next class. Till then, bye.